All right, guys, welcome back to the Practical Tech channel. Listen, this is more of plumbing DIY. A couple of weeks ago, we had a hard freeze in here. Um, Most of my pipes did well. I'm not in a traditionally cold area, so in a newer house, newer fittings and all that good stuff. But came out to check my pipes a couple of days after it warmed up and noticed that water was shooting out of the top of my fitting here, which was odd. First time that ever happened. So went on YouTube, did some searching, noticed that it was the vacuum breaker that was having issues. Apparently, this guy right here, if you notice, it's identical here. So this guy right here is designed to stop water from flowing back into your house once you turn the water off. So when I turn the water on, everything gets gone, the water's flowing, right? Water flows and all is well, right? The problem is when you turn it off, this gizmo right here keeps the water from flowing back into the house and creating a bad contaminated water situation in your house. So in this particular case, went on Amazon, not really hard. Pretty much did a little quick search for my type of fitting. I think it's a Legend something. It's on your spigot. Just go out there and kind of do a Google lens or whatever, and it'll kind of get you guided in the right direction. But this thing costs about $9 for the replacement parts. Took me about 2 seconds to put it on. Literally, you may need a grip pliers or something like that to get it off. But for the most part, that's it, man. Pretty simple, easy peasy. Tell you what, this would have been about $100 for a plumber to come and look at it, and then about $50 for them to do the repair with their parts and labor. So if you can save a little bit of money, do a little research, do it yourself, as long as it's practical, have at it. So that's it. Practical Tech / plumbing. We'll be back with the next one.